Wepa, mi gente, it's your boy Dr. Kizomba, aka Mr. 200K. Okay, right now we're gonna do Madagascar did not tell you to stay fair. Oh, yeah. So yeah, okay. So right now we're gonna do the demonstration, okay, of the Semba class today that everybody did and nobody gonna make mistakes. Okay. So we're gonna go. Let me show you the move of today. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Kazao. Kadu. Stop. All right? Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, that's the movement. All right? Now, grab your partners, my people. They're going to do it just like that. Okay? Grab your partners, mi gente. You already know. All right? Yeah, let me focus on that. Yeah? Ghislaine, get your beautiful wife, wife, here on the dance floor right now.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. All right. There you go. Play, Budut. Let's start. Take your time. Are you with mama? Are you with mama? Are you with mama? Are you with mama? Hey, mama. Only 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Yes! Yeah! Sweet! Okay! Clockwise! Onima! 5, 6, 5. Andrea! 5, 6, 7, go! Mama way! Agora! Okay! Andrea, you're doing good. Right in front. Carolina, 5. Oliver, 5, 6, 7, go. Sangrar, mama will sangrar. Madagascar. Okay. Tómala. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. Toma. I saw that again. Agora so pretty. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Agora. Mama way. Azambara. Mama. Ay. Almost there. Agora so pretty. Ai, meu coração chora. Vai. Andrea, tape.